Partnering with IEC Cleveland is important because there's an elderly workforce out there for electricians. It's great to see the newer, younger electricians coming into the field and being a part of their learning to be able to educate them in our products and also many different products that they'll be using on a day-to-day basis.
So it's important to partner with the IEC to help train up-and-coming apprentices on proper code-compliant installations and proper use of tools and equipment.
I'll say the most valuable part of this training session was basically learning like the different termination styles or like different lugs, like seeing alternatives to what I'm already using in the field and kind of being able to utilize that in the future. Being able to see like multiple options and multiple ways of doing things will work better in different situations, you know.
I think the best part about learning from these people, the industry professionals, is not just the what but the why, and actually the people who do test it, and you get to learn the ins and outs of why it is bad, the safety procedures and the 5% of the stranded. So that's why I can't use this, because I'm very what, who, what, why kind of person.